Okay guys, I'm going to do another 200 megapixel camera test. On my previous video, people did notice that I cropped in 9:16, which it does affect the overall resolution of the photo, which I just didn't even think of when I was actually doing it. So these are going to be 4:3. Okay, so they're not cropped, full 4:3. I'm going to do a few here, it's not going to be too long. And see if I can tap to focus as well, see if that improves things, because previously sometimes the image was not focusing. So yeah, let's do a good proper test this time. 200 megapixel photos. I'll include links to them in the description as well. Yeah, see what you think. Right, let's do this. Let's go straight to ultra res 200. I'm leaving it at 3:4. Alright, my first subject is this. I haven't touched focus. I'm going to see if this is in focus. Processed. Zoom in. That's looking good. That's quite a big zoom in as well. Let's have a look around the picture. Yeah, that's looking decent. What about in the corner? It's difficult to see in this light, but obviously I'm out and about doing it live, so yeah, I like that. Okay, next one is this. Again, it's still 3:4. Can you tap to photo? I did tap it there, yeah, let's have a look. Shoot, hold it still. And let's have a look what we get here. Zoom in. No fishing, no swimming, no diving. Yeah, that's good, isn't it? That's cropped right in there, and you can still see there's no real sort of blur or anything, or degrading quality. Let's go right in. I think that's good, mate. I think that's good. Very good. Okay, let's try this Life Boy. 200 megapixel, 3:4. Keep it still. So what we got here? Image there looks great. Punch in. Even further. You can just see it process there after, can't you? I mean, I'm standing right near that boy now, looking at and comparing the text and the colour and everything. It's bang on. Really, it really is. I think this 200 megapixel excels at this ratio, 3:4 or 4:3. So let's do a bit of texture on these wooden fence. Here we go. Let's have a look. Yeah, you can see the processing. When you zoom in, it will sort of scan over. But that's looking good, isn't it? So none of this non-focus blurry stuff that we had on the previous test. Okay, so let's try this one. This angle. Shoot and keep it steady. Let's have a look. Is it processed? It's processed. Let's punch in. Yeah, guys, that, do you know what, I feel like a fraud from that last video I did. I apologise. It's not that I wasn't necessarily using the wrong aspect ratio, because I'd expect really good performance at 9x16 as well, but it excels at this 3x4. Let's have a look how this works then. Let me tap and focus in the middle, shoot. Oh god, a truck just driven past, wherever it is. Let's have a look how that come out. Because there's a lot of things that it could be focused on here, so let's have a look. I mean, that truck was moving, wasn't it, as it come in? Yeah, honestly, it's great. It's really good. It's really good, guys. 200 megapixel sensor. It's scary to think what Samsung are going to do with it. So the next one, I'm going to touch focus in it. It's going to be difficult because there's a little sign there and I want to read it. Let's have a look. "200 megapixel. Oh yeah. Obviously you can see there's a few sort of little defects there. But yeah, Chatham Maritime Marina, VHF channel 80. Yeah, I mean, from what you saw from the preview in the camera, it was quite far away, but the ability to actually come in here, take the photo and zoom in, that's the furthest I can zoom in as well. That's decent. And look at that. Right guys, I've conducted that test. Not as many images as it was before, and unfortunately I haven't got no one with me to take a picture of the face or anything like that. But you can see on every single one of them images, with the ratio 3x4, 4x3, however you want to say it, it absolutely excelled. Image quality was excellent, even when cropping in by a large amount as well. Very impressed. If you want to have a closer look at them images, I will upload them to my Google Drive, and there will be a Google Drive link in the description below if you want to take a look at that. Proper 200 megapixel photos. I think the last video I did, they're actually coming out 150 megapixel because of the crop. So I might need to change the title of that video. But yeah, if you enjoyed this content guys, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye bye.